children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good. My name is Radhika and today we are starting a chapter that name is Reward of Honesty. About the chapter, the story teaches the value of honesty even in the fact of temptation, and it is a story that is often used to teach children the importance of telling the truth कि सच बोलना कितना ज़रूरी होता है. Once upon a time there was a small village, Gaganpur. एक गांव की बात है ये. A poor woodcutter Gopu lived there with his wife Radha. He had an only son in a hut. और वहाँ पर एक poor woodcutter अपनी wife और बच्चे के साथ रहता था. His earnings were so small that many days they had to go without meal. उसकी earning इतनी कम थी कि बहुत दिन बिना खाने के भी रहना पड़ता था. One day Gopu decided to go and cut woods near a river. In the forest there were so many trees of shisham. So he took his iron axe and set off to the forest. और वहाँ पर वो शीशम के पेड़ काटने लग जाता है. On reaching the forest, he found a big shisham tree along the river. He climbed up and began to cut its branches. और वो उसकी branches काटने लगता है गोपू. On that day, the sun was shining so brightly and sweat was rolling through his body. धूप इतनी तेज थी कि उसकी बॉडी से पसीना आ रहा था. गोपू began to feel dizzy because of hunger. भूख के कारण वो बेहोश फील करने लगा. As he was cutting the branch, his iron axe fell into the river. और उसकी iron axe किस पे गिर गई? नदी में गिर गई. Gopu did not know how to swim to go into the water. He began to cry. Now what am I going to do? I have lost my axe because of my carelessness. I have no money to eat. From where will I buy an axe? कि मेरी केयरलेस की वजह से मेरी कुल्हाड़ी गिर गई. मेरे पास तो पैसे भी नहीं हैं. कहाँ से खरीदूंगा? तो ऐसे गोपू रोने लग जाता है. He sobbed like a small child. और इस तरीके से sobbed means cried. और वो छोटे बच्चे की तरह रो रहा था. Just then to his amazement a fairy came out of the river and asked him what was wrong. कि क्या एक फेरी आती है पूछती है क्या हुआ. गोपू replied with tears in his eyes, I am a poor woodcutter. और वो रोकर बताता है मैं एक poor woodcutter हूँ और मेरी एक्स रिवर में गिर गई है. I don't know how to swim. What will I do now? मुझे तैरना भी नहीं आता. क्या करूँ मैं? How will I earn for my family? कैसे मैं अपनी फैमिली के लिए पैसे कमाऊँगा? The fairy felt sorry for Gopu. Don't worry, I know swimming and will search your eggs and get it back to you. Thank you, Gopu said. इस तरीके से फेरी उसकी एक्स ढूंढने लग जाती है. The fairy went into the river and returned with the shining golden axe. Here is your axe. कि ये लो तुम्हारी कुल्हाड़ी. वो क्या होती है? गोल्ड की. She said, giving the golden axe to Gopu. No, no, this is not mine. It is a golden axe, he said. और गोपू मना कर देता है. The fairy went again into the water and came back with silver axe. Gopu was again disappointed and said no to fairy कि ये भी मेरी नहीं है. So the fairy went into the river for the third time and came back with copper axe. But Gopu said no to her again कि कॉपर की axe ये भी मेरी नहीं है. Once again fairy went into the river and come back with the same iron axe. Gopu jumped with joy. Gopu खुश हो जाता है कि this is my axe. ये मेरी axe है. Gopu said and thanked fairy for her help. The fairy was too pleased with the honesty of the poor Gopu. Young man, though you are very poor, you are very honest. और fairy भी खुश हो जाती है कि वैसे तो तुम poor हो लेकिन बहुत honest हो. I am very pleased with that. As a sign of gratitude, I want to give you the golden, silver and copper axes too. और तुम इतने honest हो, इससे खुश होकर, gratitude means जो तुम्हारी ईमानदारी है, उससे खुश होकर मैं तीनों एक्स तुम्हें दे रही हूँ. Please take it. Gopu was very happy. He returned home with happiness and showed the axes to his wife Radha and explained the whole story to her. His neighbor Birju was a greedy fellow. बहुत ही लालची था उसका फ्रेंड. He heard the entire story and thought, let me also try my luck. सो नेक्स्ट डे वो अपनी आयरन एक्स लेता है और फॉरेस्ट में जाता है और क्या करता है, वही पेड़ काटने लग जाता है जो रिवर के पास था. ही बिगेन टू कट द ब्रांच, देन सडनली ही हिमसेल्फ थ्रू द एक्स इनटू द रिवर एंड बिगेन टू क्राई लाउडली. ही क्राइड लाउडर एंड लाउडर. हियरिंग द लाउड क्राइज, द फेरी फाइनली केम आउट ऑफ द रिवर. इतनी तेज वो रो रहा था कि उसकी आवाज़ सुनकर फेरी को आना पड़ता है. Why are you crying? She asked. Birju said, I have lost my only axe. It fell into the river. Please find it for me. The fairy went inside the river to find the axe. After a while, she returned with copper axe. Here it is, she said. Birju said, this is not mine. Mine is more expensive. और वो कॉपर के भी मना कर देता है, जबकि कौन सी थी उसकी एक्स, आयरन की थी, और कॉपर की भी लेने से मना कर देता है कि मेरी तो इससे भी एक्सपेंसिव थी. The fairy went again and came out with silver axe. He again said that his axe was more expensive. For the third time, fairy went into the river and came with glittering golden axe. और चमकती हुई golden axe लेकर आती है. As Birju, a greedy man, saw the golden axe, he cried with happiness, yes, yes, one is mine. This one is mine. This one is mine. Give it to me and give me the other axes too, as I was so sincere. देखो मैं कितना sincere हूँ, कितना अच्छा हूँ मैं, मुझे ये सारी एक्स दे दो. The fairy got angry to Birju and said, you are not an honest and sincere man, but a greedy one. And I was just testing you and you have failed. You will not get any of the axes, not even your own axe. कि तुम बिल्कुल polite और sincere नहीं हो, झूठे हो, और तुम्हें तुम्हारी एक्स भी नहीं मिलेगी. Saying this, the fairy went into the river. As for the greedy man, Birju sat down there with the hand on his head and returned home sadly. और इतना greedy था वो, अपना हाथ अपने माथे पर रखकर बैठ जाता है और उदास होकर घर जाता है. What to know? Miag means very little, dizzy, feeling unconscious, sobbed, crying badly, and gratitude, that is respect, glittering, shining like gold, and sincere, very serious about work. So it's the turn of the exercise. First is tick the correct option. The first is the name of the village is Nandpur, Gaganpur, Ganoha. That is Gaganpur. You have to tick the correct answer. Next is fill in the blanks. First is Gopu's earning was so meager, yani very little. So you have to fill like that. Next is true false. First is Gopu was a greedy man. So Gopu was a greedy man. No, he was an honest man. So write down false. According to that statement, write down T or F. Who said, I have lost my axe because of my carelessness? Who said this? Gopu. So like that you have to answer all. Next है answer the following question. First है what was the financial condition of Gopu? Gopu was very poor. Okay. So this is the chapter. I hope you have understood the chapter. You have to read it once again and do the remaining exercise yourself.